Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use X'Pert HighScore and how you will compare your data with the PDF inside X'Pert HighScore. Without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. Click on the X'Pert HighScore and then go to the file, click on open and go to the path where you save your data. So this is my data and select the AAC file of your data. Somehow you have only txt file, and in the next video I will teach you how to uh, generate AAC file from the txt file. So in this data I already have AAC file, so click on it and click on open. So these are the XRD peaks related to my data, and now I'm going to search for the peak. Click on treatment and search peak, and these are the peaks related to my XRD data. So now in the next step I am going to search match and click on restriction, edit restriction set. First you will clear all the given data and then click on the periodic, click here and click on the periodic table. Let's suppose my compound is strontium titanate, this one, and some dopant like other, but this is enough. So click on OK and then click on add reset to none of these and clear it. Click on close and search for the data and then click on OK. So these are the data related to your compound, and search from these data and select one by one and drag from here and leave it, and then compare it with your data by clicking a pattern. You will see this type of peak. If you see that most of the peaks are perfectly matched, and I zoom it, yes, comparatively perfect match. But I search for the most perfect, this is not relevant, and drag one by one, this not good. uh, Let me check it. The first one is better than this one, so I will leave this one, and not a good one. So you will you will check all of these data and select the most perfect one. So let this is my uh, data. I mean this data is perfectly matched with my formula. So I will check and pick most of the data from this PDF. The crystal system is cubic, which I already know that the strontium titanate has a cubic structure, and the space group is PM3M, and the space group number is 2 to 1, and the lattice parameter ABC are equal, that is which is equal to 2.9 3.9070, and the angle alpha beta and gamma are 90, and the calculated density of this cubic cell is 5.1. and the volume cell is 59.64, and it shows that the compound is inorganic. So the one point which we use, the Miller indices, and the graph we plot in X'Pert HighScore. This is the graph in X'Pert HighScore, and we will use these Miller indices in for each corresponding peak. So first I will teach you how to save this data, because there is a no the save option is not available in this PDF. So we will use a trick. Click on a print all, and it will allow you to save. So let I save it on desktop, for example XRD 0.0, and if you are using at a time, then it will be better to directly use from it. Some people take a picture from it and uh, then put it here from the mobile. So I the one point is important. You see that the maximum peak intensity, which is 100%, is at the second number. And go back to the data, you see that this is the first one peak and this is the second one, and it shows that the maximum peak intensity is at the second one. And you will use these Miller indices, which is below the 100% intensity. You will use it for the right one and corresponding one by one. So next to the 100% intensity is this peak, and and followed by this one, and so on. And on the same way you will use, let this is my 100%, and this will be the second one and followed by other, and the one which is left to the 100% intensity, and for which we will use this Miller indices. So let me copy it and go here, click on the text and leave it. Giving him some space, remove the space, and control all. Let I think 16 will be better, and change the format to Time New Roman and click on it. Then right click, go to the property, rotate degree by 90. It will be like this, and also bold it. Now it give a good view. And now copy it, then paste it here, paste it here, sorry, paste it here, here, for each peak, and this one. And this 100% intensity mirror it is 110, 110, and arrange it. The second one is next to the 100% is 111, is 111, and set above it. The next one is 200, 200, and the next one is 210, 210, 210 and 211, 211, and the last one is 220, 220. So I will copy it from here and also paste here because this is the same peak. So this is the way how you will put Miller indices on the peak. And I already shared a video related to how to save as a project and how to save as a grant. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.